We're standing at the front door of 2202 Northwest Irving Street. This is one of our nicest two-bedroom apartments. It's just in a little 4-unit building, and this is the little front yard elevated from the street on a really nice street. 22nd and Irving, so it's super convenient to shopping. 23rd, 21st, easy walk to the Pearl. And just turning around and entering the apartment into the living room. You can see we have really big windows, and they're pretty much all energy efficient double pane windows, which is quiet and saves you some money, so that's really nice. And there's an entry closet right there. It's a really nice sized living room, and it joins into the dining room, and that's the kitchen in the back, and a window to the shared backyard. And real wood burning fireplace. Very little pretty item, and it sort of popped out, so it gives you some nice architectural detail with the archway here. And a little alcove. This table's a little smaller than you'd usually have in the dining room, but you can see it could hold quite a large dining table if you needed one. And bright because of the south-facing window. So this little patio area is yours to use. And you can see out there. And there's a little shared yard, grassy area too. Then coming through to the kitchen, there's the back door to the shared yard. Take another peek out here. It's trash and recycling, of course. It's winter, so things are a little grubby. And laundry is just to the right on that brick path downstairs. You also get a really nice sized storage cubicle down there you can lock up and have a bunch of stuff in. So here's the kitchen. And again, it's a pretty large kitchen for an apartment like this. It's galley style, but it's extra long, and you have a pretty good space between the counters. And this might change over the time, but a stainless fridge and stainless dishwasher right here, and Spanish tile counters and floor. And you have a ton of cupboard storage space. Right here, over the fridge, over the counter there. You can see there's lots and lots of useful space here. Then coming back around, we'll go to the hallway that joins to the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. So first we'll look in this room. This is the north-facing bedroom. And double huge windows. So again, great soft light from the north. And you can see it's just a very pleasant room with, I think, some of the best hardwood floors we have in any of our apartments. They're just pretty old floors. And double-sized closet there. The other bedroom also has even more closet space, you'll see. And lots of room for bureau, little carpeting, pictures, and a little storage behind the door there. Then coming through the hallway, thermostat for your personal gas furnace. Each apartment has its own gas furnace, which is pretty efficient. So here's the bathroom. Again, really nice tile, big window, great light, ventilated up there, you can see. And nice tile work in the shower. And linen closet right there. Coming back around, we'll go to the 2nd bedroom. This is being used as a home office right now. I think it's pretty much the same size as the other one, though. It's a little hard to gauge with the big desk in here, but I'll see if I can show you that. So you can see back to the hallway. Again, the big windows, and that's looking towards the east. And coming around here, this is the second closet, and it is huge. Hopefully that shows in the video, but it's a big walk-in, long closet. You can arrange your own shelving if you want, and just fit a lot of stuff in there. And don't forget, there's also the storage cubicle downstairs. And this is like a normal sized closet. So 2 closets in this bedroom. It's a little bigger, maybe a little wider than normal. And then coming back to the living room, this is 2202 Northwest Irving Street, one of our nicest 2-bedroom apartments.